Hi, in front of me I have HUAWEI Fit, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. To do it, press the side button, then swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and here we have Do Not Disturb mode icon, the one with the moon. To enable it, simply tap on the icon and then tap the check mark to confirm. As you can see, it said Do Not Disturb mode is on, and to disable it, tap on the icon again. We can also go to settings, so let's tap on the settings icon right here. Find the option called Do Not Disturb. Here we can enable and disable the mode by tapping on the slider next to All Day, like this. And we can also enable schedule. Enable it. And now we can scroll down, and here we can set up schedule for our Do Not Disturb mode. We can tap on Start to set the hour on which the Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on. We can set minutes, or rather hours, right here on the left side, then minutes. And once you're done, tap OK, then tap on End. Do the same for the hour on which it's gonna be turning off, and tap OK. And we have our schedule for the Do Not Disturb mode. Let's disable it. And that's how you basically enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.